It lets you start over from the point where it died. I think that's a cheap out. We don't want to cheap out, do we? So, enter new name. Chick. So we don't need to be afraid of anything but the blue thing. That's the only opponent we have. With the Razers, that's not a big deal, is it? Do we carry them over, though? Oh, we carry them over. Okay. We take them all. We're taking as many as we can get, it's okay. They give us energy, and I'm interested to see what the energy does for us. Oh, we're gonna take the pyramid with us as well. Could be helpful. Hey, you guys stay here. I was avoiding you the whole time, and meanwhile the game was so nice and easy on us, right? There we go. Give me that jump. Okay. There we go. I want all of this. Won't you guys traverse over? There we go. Now we set it all to 1. Let's check. Don't make the big of a difference. Maybe there's like a secret of like that's the number of lives you get or something like that. I wouldn't know. There we go. Oh, still got. Oh, that was our last Razer, but it's okay. That gives a lot of points, so I don't know if we could even milk it in theory to another color to get more points out of it. That's something for another time. Okay, so that's the way to go. Okay, that's not the way to go. That's not the way to go. Let's check. Okay, now. Ah, there we go. Now let's see what happens if we try to do it in another color. I'm genuinely interested. Okay, nothing. That's all that we get, which is totally fair. It's a 10k. And now that we know, and we don't want to touch the other one, because that makes everything else faster than us. Okay, now we get 10 jumps. Oh, I want to Razer it. Oh, no Razering. We might as well take the second jump then. And see. Yeah. Do it for the points. Okay. Okay, I think taking the pipe into nothingness would be a rather bad move, so we won't do that. But we're gonna take another Razer, just to make sure. Then, we're not gonna let the chance pass on these little fellas here. Oh, look at him. Aha! Not bad for a little Razer. The only way to defeat enemies in the game is getting kept out by themselves. Level 11 now. Oh, we got snake. Oh, whoa, they fast. Halfway done. Nice. Hey, Steppy, that's faster than initially thought, right? That's nice. Yo. I'm not down for those snakes, so let's do it like that, right? Then we got a teleporter for up there as well, which we're gonna use in a bit. First, let's be proper and collect all the stuff. Good, right? The thing is, the pain of getting the tattoo done, I think it's as bad if you do shading within the same session or the first 2 weeks, because your arm is still swollen and it's got no time to recover, and it's just like feeling really sore and all. It's just no fun, is it? It bees like that, right? Is the teleporter? Then it's gotta be the one on top here. Or is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Nice try, Blade. Not on my watch. I might be done at 4 PM, I believe. But you got about 2 hours home, right? I think you said something along those lines. Might as well use it. I can't imagine getting outlines and color shading on 2 sessions. Oh, I did it. And I can only tell you, if you are in a good shape, it's doable, but I would still not recommend it, right? Just because it's doable. I did it when I was really young, and I was happy because I really wanted to get the tattoo done, but at the same time, this is so much strain you're putting on your body for nothing that's really in a hurry, right? Yeah, I had to call the cancel out there because... Let's see if we might just use a jump because we got so many jumps. Oh, what was that? Not the jump I wanted. Holy shit, you can jump over the whole map. Also, Steppy, how's it looking? You excited for DNF Duel coming up? You know what? Let's do it like that. Haha. That was the gig of the year. Just jump on it. We don't need Razers. We're gonna get plenty of clowns again. But it's a lesson learned for future takes on it. There was 2 jumps, but it's still fine. Will the snake go through the hole though? No, I can't. Snake it up. Oh, and Cake wants me to rehydrate. I'm good. I'm damn hyped for this, but I saw a tweet with a troubleshooter infinite. It's a vanilla game. We shouldn't take it at face value, you know what I'm saying? Like, those things are most likely to change over time. Like, by a lot. Let's see. Okay, no. Okay, this is good. Now we can collect these. Nice. Good. 29k at 111. There hasn't been a stage with Razer blades for quite some time, or color fields, so that's something I'm looking forward to. See, when I did the spin, I was prolonged in the spinning state. Oh, I tried to jump over. Yes, sir. All of that. We're taking all of that. There he comes. Will it come back down, Snakey, so I can land on you? That'd be sweet. Okay, let's time it. No, too soon. Rehydrate and posture. Oof. 2 in 1, huh? Ah, come on. I need to focus. No time for that right now. We want to at least get level 15 in. Oh, what is this maze? Oh, mid-clicked. Come on. You know what? No. We can still get this done. There we go. Level 16, nice. Huh? Oh, I tried shooting. No. Okay. That's it. That's our high score for Clown-O-Mania, 30,740. Nice. I'm happy with that. That's level 16. So that's a start. We're gonna submit that, of course. So 30k, 740. Level 16, as you've seen. So getting the color fields is the most score you can do in the beginning. So you gotta play basically to get further than that at some point, right?